Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to record gameplay on PC. If you want to record your gameplay on PC, OBS Studio is one of the best tools for it. It's free, easy to use, and gives you great control over your recording quality. Here's how you can set it up and start recording your games. First, open OBS Studio on your PC here. Click on Settings from the bottom right corner. Now, click on Output from the left side. In this section, set the video bitrate to around 2500 kbps for smooth recording quality. Then set the video encoder to hardware so your graphics card handles the recording, which helps reduce lag. Next, check the recording path. This is where your gameplay videos will be saved. You can click on Browse to choose your own folder. Then review the recording quality, format, and other options according to your preference. Now, click on Video from the left side. Here, you can set the base canvas resolution and output scaled resolution to match your screen size for clear visuals. Then click on Apply and then OK when prompted. Click Yes to save your changes. Now click on the plus icon in the Sources box. Here, select Game Capture and create a new one, then click OK under Mode, select Capture Specific Window, and choose the game window you want to record like Game Assist or any open game. After that, click OK again and go back to the main screen to check your setup. Once everything looks good, hit Start Recording to begin capturing your gameplay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.